Hello and welcome to our website at Q Consultants. Safe offshore investing. Offshore investing has numerous benefits, but first it is important to be informed on at least some of the fundamental concepts of offshore investing. Adequate information needs to be obtained on the jurisdiction in which you intend to undertake your offshore investing and securities trading. The reliability of offshore investment managers who decide to work with, and the rules such as taxation and policies as they apply to offshore investors. To always ensure that offshore investing is undertaken carefully, a number of important factors need to be looked at closely. First, it will be wise to become conversant with the foreign market that you have chosen to make your offshore investment with. There may be challenges that may probably have not existed where the domestic market, so finding out what these are from experienced professionals and counterparts would enable you to design a plan to avoid and resolve these possible difficulties in order for cautions offshore investing in foreign markets. In offshore investing, transparency issues are of vital importance. Ensure therefore that our foreign market that you have chosen to invest in is transparent and is regulated by adequate transparency rules. In offshore investing, however, transparency should not mean total compromise of privacy and confidentiality. Therefore, even though you may be required to furnish a certain degree of financial and personal details, policies should also be in place to carefully manage and protect such information. Along with transparency in offshore investing, you should also find out what documents would be required from you due to the fact that offshore investing transparency and reporting laws vary from one country to the next, such in the US, where every company listed in the US stock exchange is required to report its revenue on a quarterly basis and to file all relevant paperwork with the Securities and Exchange Commission, while in other countries the reporting requirements differ. If you want to know more about it, please contact us through our contact form or our contact data on our website. And also, I thank you for watching this video.